Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to create a stunning gradient logo that instantly boosts your design quality, fast and efficiently.
No, don't think he ever really knew me. I have run quite a distance, so in some ways I'm truly different. In some way I kept my soul. I got time if you want me to